Hey there, buddy. You got a friend with you, huh? Usually go right up on that branch above there when they're done feeding. I don't know if they'll sit there or take off, but typically I can't get this close, but they're used to me from being on the porch with the feeder. Somebody told me they start to recognize who you are, so that one took off. Let's see what the other one's gonna do, if he's gonna go up in the tree. You just barely see his little tail feathers there, kind of hanging out against the backdrop of that pine tree. Must really needed it. Wow. Gulping, gulping. Nothing wrong with that. That's what it's there for. Oh, he's hidden right behind that leaf. Oh, you little bugger. I can't zoom in any better. There he went.